Hi, this is a review of the Zoweetek ZW-BSP04 Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, I have two speakers here. They come individually packed, so you could buy one or you could buy two. The benefit is if you buy two, you can actually put them together to create stereo sound. So let me take you through some of the features. So here's one of the speakers. As you can see, there's different buttons on top. We have a menu button, a volume down, or it could be used to go back a step in music, a pause button, a forward button, but also doubles as a volume button and a power button. On the side you have this port here, and we have an SD card reader or an SD card slot, an audio in 3.5mm jack, and a USB socket. Now you can use the USB socket for a couple of different things. One, you can use it to charge the battery that's inside. The other thing is if you connect it to a PC, you can actually use it to copy and paste songs to and from the SD card, so it acts as a card reader. But there's a feature that isn't actually advertised so well, and that's if you plug this USB into your PC and switch it on, it actually turns it into a USB Bluetooth speaker. So that would be very useful if you want to add a speaker to your PC or computer, especially a laptop, and make it a lot louder. It's also very handy for people that do presentations and they want to take a laptop and show people a video, but maybe the speakers in their laptop aren't very good. So if you just plug that into your Windows PC, that is detected as a USB speaker. So that's really handy. So I'll just show you what happens when you turn these on. So I believe this one is paired to my phone.
Bluetooth is waiting for a connection. Bluetooth is connected.
Okay, we'll play some songs. So I think that should give you an idea of the sound. As you can see, you can actually control the sound, the volume, pause and play from either speaker. So you could have these set up in different rooms or different parts of the house, as long as they're within a certain range. The speakers come with a USB cable, a 3.5mm cable, and also a piece of string which you can actually use to tie from here to something like a tree, or you can actually hang this up in your room. So if you don't have much room, this will actually be quite handy because you can stand it up. You can also put it this way. And what's actually good is, like, often when people complain about noise from a neighbor or you're disturbing somebody in the room next door, often it's not because of the sound, but because of the actual vibration. So what you can actually do is, if you hang this up, you'll get lots of sound, but you'll actually be transmitting less vibration to people next door, through the walls, through the tables. So that's a way to actually have louder music without disturbing people as much as you might otherwise. So I hope this has been a useful review. If you have any questions, feel free to post on the comments below. Thank you.